Hey, Coach Greg here. We have day one of our 10-day Sculpt and Sweat Workout Challenge. This is gonna be a full body workout to kick off this challenge series, so let's get started. Alrighty, keep your water close by if you need it. We start off with some front jacks. We have 30 seconds on the clock. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Boom. Bring out your arms in front of you. Step up to the side. This is one of my favorite jumping jack variations because normally you're here. And if you want to do normal jumping jacks, go ahead. But this also works. It's low impact, just as effective of getting your sweat on. There it is. Really reach out in front of you. Core is tight. You're doing amazing. 3, 2, 1, and down. Let's rest our legs a little bit. We're gonna focus on our upper body. We have up, down, opens. Have a slight bend in your knee. Hinge your back slightly. Hands are gonna be out in front of you. The whole goal is to reach as far forward as we can. We are going up, we're bringing them down, and we're opening, just like that. 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Reach, up, down, open. You want to at least get to your ear level, down, open up just like that. It's more of like an isometric squeeze. We want our core tight. Our arms, we are reaching forward as far as we can. Boom. This is full body, baby. Make sure you're breathing. Let's do one more. Down, open. Great job. Moving along, we have lunges. Come on. You can't do full body without some lower body exercises. We're gonna alternate between stepping backwards. On these lunges, we go in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. You don't have to go all the way to the ground. You just want to have some sort of bend. Core is tight, back is flat. Again, you don't have to go as deep as me. Like if you have like knee problems, whatever, like modify it, but again, no excuses. You can move your body, I believe in you. Even something as simple as this, a split stance, and all you're doing is bending slightly. Boom, this works because if you put in tension, I'm pushing the ground away, boom. You can still see my muscles tensing. This works too, baby. Just like this. Slow and steady. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Last, we have some overhead reaches. Let's add a little bit of cardio flavor to this. Feet past shoulder width apart. Be nice and bendy with your knees. We go in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. We are alternating between reaching overhead, tapping, just like this. Start off nice and slow. You can speed up by set 2 and set 3. Just really trying to stretch, feel in my obliques. The extra tap just helps me elongate my body. Adds a little flavor to it. Sometimes they're too stiff and rigid, so it takes time. I'm so inflexible, it's not even funny, but I'm trying to do more exercises like this to help me with that. Slow and steady. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Shake it off. Grab some water, but if not, we are jumping right to set number 2. You got this. Front jacks, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Up, down, opens. 3, 2, 1, go. Lunges, 3, 2, 1, go. Overhead reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. Set number 2 done. We got 1 more to go for day 1 of this workout challenge. Grab some water. Let's finish strong. You got this. We go right now. Front jacks. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Up, down, opens. 3, 2, 1, go. Lunges, 3, 2, 1, go. Overhead reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That is day 1 done and dusted. Give yourself one of these and one of these because you earned it, my friend. Thank you so much for kicking off this 10-day Sculpt Sweat Workout Challenge with us. Tune in tomorrow. Coach Gabby is gonna put you through an amazing workout. You're gonna sculpt, you're gonna sweat, and you're gonna have some fun. So go ahead and click the notification bell so you can stay on top of all the workouts coming for this workout series. But I'll see you on day 3. Peace. Stay strong, my friend.